I'm Rachel Turner. I'm head of new trains at East Midlands Railway, responsible for the introduction of the Aurora bi-mode fleet. So we've ordered 33 5-car trains from Hitachi Rail UK, and we're looking to deliver those into the franchise in around 2023, and they will replace our existing intercity Meridian fleet. So we work with a company called Dave Gordon Design Limited, who are local to us in Derby, and we worked on looking at the seats on the market at the moment that we could use in the fleet, and worked on optimising those for comfort for an intercity passenger. So we've worked on things like lumbar support, we've worked on seat depth, we've worked on the headrest support and height of the seat, just to give some extra emphasis to the comfort areas. And we've also worked quite a lot on armrest and armrest width, so again, giving support and comfort to passengers.
Yeah, so you've done it then. You've actually produced a seat which is not the off-the-peg standard 800 seat.
We have, yes.
Yeah.
So something that was really sort of obviously reading feedback on in rail press and the media and so on. It was really important to us as a company that we didn't just go with the same as the other 8300s, and we differentiated our fleet by pushing for a new seat type. So yes. Yeah,
I like to think that we've got right on our side, especially when the Queen complained about new seats, and all of the stuff about ironing boards, and now it's made the Great British Railways document that we're going to have more comfortable seats and more comfortable trains. So do you see this as a start of a new trend, or?
So I think obviously we've got to take into account all of the standards requirements now. Trains are inherently safer in terms of fire and toxicity standards and all of those other things that we have to take account of. So we'll never go back to the fully sprung foam seats that we've had in the past on other fleets. But actually there are step changes and obviously changes of material that can help you to achieve a more comfortable seat, a more durable seat as well, while you're also considering those other things. So.
Yeah, and never say never, of course,
I would
maybe they'll find. Maybe they'll find fireproof horsehair one day. I don't know. I doubt it. Been sat here for a little while now, and it's feeling okay. Again, I'd always like a softer base, but then I'm a short, fat bloke, so I suppose that's bound to be the case, isn't it?
And one of the things is, sort of ergonomically, actually, the firmer seat and the lumbar support is actually better for you anyway than being soft and mono-y. So.
I know, I hear that, you see, but if you go to DFS for a new sofa, you think, I'll have this hard one because it's good for me. No, you don't.
No, you don't.
No, and I think it was somebody from Angel who said when I first looked down the 800 mock-up, they said, well, the seat's firm like a sports car. To which I said, I don't want to go from London to Edinburgh in a sports car, thank you. So, anyway.
In an armchair.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's right. Well, this is a lot closer to an armchair than a sports car.
Well, as you can see from the setup, we booked this setup out for people to have one-to-one meetings and things in the office, so people are using it for hour at a time, a couple of hours at a time. So actually it's demonstrating that you can sit in this and you can work and have that conversation, and it's actually quite comfortable to be in for a while. You'll see the same when we go to the standard transforms in a little while.
Yeah.
Visit www.keymodernrailways.com for more interesting and essential information about the British Railway network.